Hi class, today we're going to learn about geometry. The purpose of this lesson is to help us understand what quadrilaterals are, how to classify different quadrilaterals, and recognize examples of quadrilaterals. Our learning goal today is that we want to know what quadrilaterals are and how to classify them. To review, what is a shape? A shape would be the form of an object. So here we have a circle, a triangle, a square, a pentagon, and a hexagon. Some quadrilaterals have right angles. A right angle is 90 degrees. Parallel sides run next to each other. They never get closer and they never get further apart, like railroad tracks. They also do not run in any specific direction. So like in the picture, the lines L and M, right here, are running horizontally. Then they can also run vertically or diagonally. Quadrilaterals have four straight sides, are two-dimensional figures, and have closed figures. A rectangle has four right angles. So I'm going to use these square shapes to represent that. And they also have two sets of parallel sides. So I'll mark those. A square also has four right angles. So I'm marking those. And then they also have two sets of parallel sides. So I'm just marking those. You see, a rhombus has two sets of parallel sides. Each set of sides are the same length. So these sides are parallel, and these sides are parallel. A parallelogram has four sides. The opposite sides are the same length and are parallel. So a square, the rectangle, and the rhombus are all parallelograms. A trapezoid has one set of parallel sides. Only one set of sides are the same length. So these sides are parallel, and then these two sides, this one and this one, are the same length. A kite has four sides. The shorter sides are the same length, and the longer sides are the same length. So these two sides at the top are the same length, and then these two sides on the bottom are the same length. So how are the quadrilaterals related? So the trapezoid, the parallelogram, and the kite fall under quadrilaterals. Then under parallelograms, we have the rectangle and the rhombi. And then under the rectangle and rhombi, we have the squares. So I'll just clean this up so you can look at it. Some important things to remember are quadrilaterals have four sides. They are two-dimensional and are closed figures. The shape is the form of an object, and parallel lines run next to each other, never getting closer and never getting further apart.